Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dear students, in the previous class, we were discussing lesson called Who I Am, Part 1, Many Voices. In the last class, we have seen about a boy named called Nasir. We have seen how Nasir wants to become seed collector. In today's class, we are going to discuss one more boy named called Rohit. In this lesson, we are looking how these children are totally different from other children. In the first class, I told you everybody has their individual capacity. Those capacity help them in their future life. Okay, let us know the story about Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. Rohit said if he had a lot of money, he wished to travel more and more. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. Rohit wants to see mountains of New Zealand. Here, mountains of New Zealand are very beautiful on the earth. Once he saw the pictures of mountains in the magazine so that he would see the mountains of New Zealand because they are very beautiful. Next, I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on raft. What do you mean? Sail down a small vessel beside the river because he wished to meet Amazon River by the boat. Here, what do you mean boat? Boat means raft. What do you mean raft? Raft means boat. Rohit wants to travel in the Amazon River with the help of boat. Next, I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. Coral, it is a kind of, land which is filled with full of ice. That is called coral. Okay, Rohit wants to live in the beaches of Lakshadweep. Next, I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. Rohit wants to go Konark temple which is located in Orissa. Konark temple is the most famous temple in India. Okay, next he wants to meet Beijing in China. Beijing is located in China. You might have heard once in the Beijing Olympic Games have been started. Beijing is famous for Olympic Games. And he wants to meet a pyramid in Egypt. Pyramids are located in Egypt. Okay, Egypt is the name of the country. Here, Rohit wants to meet three places. First one, Konark temple, which is located in Orissa. Next one, he wants to visit Beijing in China. Next, he wants to meet a pyramids, which is located in Egypt. Next, but what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. He said that he enjoys seeing nature more than seeing old buildings, because means he totally rejects to see old buildings because he wants to see nature. So that here Rohit expresses his future dreams. You know, everybody has their own dreams. You may be having many dreams. Some students have dreams like, they want to travel to Australia, travel to America. So like that, everybody has their own dreams. So here, Rohit tells his dreams through these lines. Okay, I hope you have understood what I am telling. With this, I will stop here. Remaining part we shall continue in the next class. I have a beautiful day. Thank you.